Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here today to teach you how to register with the Colmex Pro broker. First, you enter the TradingFinder website, go to the Reviews section, and then to the Forex Brokers section. Among the available brokers, you can find Colmex Pro, and by clicking on the Go to Website option, you will enter the official website of this broker. After entering this website, click on the Open Account option to start the account opening process. You need to enter your email in this section and then click on the Sign Up option. As you can see, a code has been sent to your email, which you need to enter in this section to verify your email. Log into your email, and as you can see, you have received a code from the Colmex Pro website, which you need to enter in this section. On the next page, you will be asked to confirm a password for your account. We recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for greater security in your password. After setting and confirming the password, click on the Set Password option. Well, as you can see, your account has been successfully created with this broker. In the next videos, we will teach you how to verify your account with this broker and how to make deposits and withdrawals with this broker. Goodbye.